Hey, what's going on, guys? KIM-1 here. Last video I've shown how I made a serial mode for my KIM-1 emulator. Here it is. And this actually now allows us to make use of printing the board in our 6502 chest. So it's now unfortunately exceeds 1K. So it was 909 bytes before introducing this huge print board function. That I've added here at the very end of the program here. But anyway, it now allows to play chess a little bit more like in a human-like way. Upload. So I'm going to now what I can do, I can say 3F6 now and go, and I just print the current board state. So we have the board position, and 08 stands for site to move. So 8 is in hexadecimal, 8 is white to move, and 10 in hexadecimal or 16 in decimal means that it's black to move. So if I want to make a move, if I want an engine to move, I just can go to 200s hexadecimal and click go, and this would start searching and resolve and printing, like making the best move on board and printing the board. But if I want to play white, for instance, I want to play from here to here, I say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, so 64 to 44. So if I manually make the move, I go the following way. So I say 64, and 09 is a pawn, which is correct. So I go for 0 and then 44, and there I want to put a white pawn, 9. You don't see that, but you'll see this on the board. And then if I want to change the site to move, I say BC, and I want to set it to 10 because I want the computer to search for black. Now if I go back to 3F6 and go, then we have, so I just made a move. So this E2 to E4, and now black is it's black started to move. So if I now call, if I now ask the engine to start searching, it would actually be searching for black. So if I go to 200 hexadecimal and click go, it would do the trick, but it would take a little bit too long. So if I hit enter, so this is the depth. So if I set the depth to 2, okay, yeah, depth is 2, and going back to 200 hexadecimal, and I press go, it's now searching. Here are my hands. You know, now find a best move and actually print this to the board. Yeah, so he made the move E7 to E5. Now I can put a knight to various things. So yeah, I've been demonstrating how I've been playing versus this engine, so I don't want to spend another hour, but just maybe showing one more move just to make sure like they kind of play. So 70, so this is going to be 77, 76 goes to 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 55, 76 to 55. So 0076, 0, 0055, 0C, which is the knight, 0C, go in there, and BC, I want to set it to black, and 3F6, and just to make sure that everything works nicely. Yeah, everything apart, yeah, probably messed up something, so yeah, I didn't change the site. So let's go again to BC, B00BC, 10, okay, and 3F6. I hope I didn't mess up anything in the memory. Okay, let's go. Yeah, now I've changed the site. So if I now go to 200s and run, yeah, I really hope that I didn't mess up anything in the memory, so it just happens to be the best move here as well. And indeed it does. So we have this D4, D7 to D5, which is not the best ever move to consider, but anyway, engine kind of plays, so yeah, feel free to give it a try in this new serial mode. This is it from my side, guys. Thanks for watching. Until next time, and take care.